birds met the sky. He learned to work, not question why. From Kaiping town to Hong Kong Bay, for those he loved he went away. Then his brother left too soon. Another shadow crossed the moon. He took his children as his own, and carried burdens never shown. 我由好遠嘅地方嚟，你為我打開呢道門。我冇金銀，冇乜嘢俾，只有真心愛你個女。我哋冇講過幾多話，兩種語言隔住我哋。有句說話收咗好多年，見到你我就諗起我爸爸。Hong Kong had slowly become home. He never dreamed again to roam, but for his wife he crossed the sea and left behind where he wished to be. In restaurant lights from night till dawn, he worked until the years were gone. Another shore, the story stayed. He gave much more than he was paid. 我由好遠嘅地方嚟，你為我打開呢道門。我冇金銀，冇乜嘢俾，只有真心愛你個女。我哋冇講過幾多話，兩種語言隔住我哋。有句說話收咗好多年，見到你我就諗起我爸爸。Then I walked in and met his girl, a stranger from another world. No gold to give, no wealth to show, not even words for us to know. You opened up your home to me, no price, no questions, let it be. And now you're gone, I know once more. I saw my father at your door. You spoke your words and I spoke mine. A smile was all we had sometimes. I thought our silence kept us apart. Now I know we spoke by heart. 如果可以見多一次，我唔需要千言萬語，只想同你靜靜坐低，將心裏嗰句講俾你知。有句說話遲咗好多年，今日先可以講出口。見到你我就諗起我爸爸。I came with nothing to your door, and somehow found my father once more.